Namaskar. I, Dr. K. Nagratna, Head Meteorological Center, Hyderabad. Today I am going to brief about the weekly weather review and the forecast for the next 2 weeks over Telangana. During 25th March, a wind discontinuity has been over Rayalaseema to South Odisha across coastal Andhra Pradesh. On 26th to 27th, this wind discontinuity at 0.9 km continued to run from North Telangana to Odisha across South Chhattisgarh. An upper air cyclonic circulation lies over Chhattisgarh and adjoining areas and extends up to 1.5 kilometers above mean sea level. On 29th to 31st, an upper air cyclonic circulation lies over South Maharashtra and neighborhood and extends up to 0.9 kilometer up to above mean sea level. Telangana rainfall spatial distribution. Dry conditions have prevailed over the state. 27th and 28th, isolated rainfall was there with light rain over one or two places over the northwest and northwestern districts of Telangana. The summary of maximum and minimum temperatures as such shows that highest maximum temperature is recorded over Adilabad on 30th March 42.0 degrees Celsius with above normal temperatures been recorded over the Telangana for 5 days and fall in temperatures for 3 days. The lowest minimum temperature recorded is 17.2 degrees Celsius over Adilabad on 28th March and most of the days the temperatures were noted to be either above normal or near to normal situation. Rainfall percentage departure from normals for districts of Telangana shows there is a large deficient rainfall of minus 97% during the season, that is 1st March to 31st March. And this is the forecast for Telangana, which shows that mainly dry weather conditions are likely to prevail over the state during next 4 to 5 days. Today and tomorrow, heat wave conditions are very likely to occur in the isolated pockets in the districts of Bhadradri, Kottagudem, Khammam, Suryapet, Nalgonda, Nagar Karnool and Mahbub Nagar districts of Telangana. Rest parts of the Telangana state is likely to have temperatures above normal by 2 to 3 degrees Celsius. Extended range forecast for next 4 weeks shows that mainly the northerlies have been prevailing over the Telangana state, and during the second week there is a change in the direction of the winds and the winds have changed to westerly direction, and during third week also the wind pattern changed to westerly. And this is the extended range forecast of rainfall for next 2 weeks. This shows that dry weather conditions have been likely to be found during next week and second week and third week. This is the extended range forecast for the maximum temperature, which shows that temperatures are likely to be greater than 38 degrees Celsius over many parts of the Telangana state, and temperatures are likely to be around 40 degrees Celsius to 42 degrees Celsius in the some parts of eastern parts of Telangana and northeastern districts of Telangana during next week and second week. This is the anomaly pattern of the maximum temperature, which shows that except in the northeastern districts and some parts of eastern districts of Telangana, the maximum temperatures are found to be either near to the normal or 1 or 2 degrees less than the normal values during the first week and second week. This is the cyclogenesis and evolution probability of the formation of the low pressure systems in the Bay of Bengal and its Arabian Sea. It is seen that during this week, there is a fair chance of formation of the low pressure system. At present, a deep depression has formed over Andaman Sea and its adjoining areas, and there is a less chance of its intensification further. And during second week and third week, the probability shows there is hardly any chance of the formation of any cyclogenesis over that region. And this is the social media updates, which shows that Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, YouTube is available, where the weather updates morning, evening, and night also are updated into this for Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, and YouTube. A website www.imdhyderabad.gov.in is available, where all this data, forecasts, warnings, observations have been uploaded into that, and it is available for the public. There is a link available in the IMD Hyderabad website about the crowdsourcing, where people can click on it and get the information, where they can feed the weather in their area, like rainfall, temperatures, hailstorm, and any other weather disturbances that are happening in your location in that time.